Hello and welcome to the Bryce Academy bite-sized history videos. This video is going to be introducing the murder of Emmett Till. This is the 14-year-old Emmett Till. Emmett Till was killed on August 28, 1955. He came from Chicago. He was visiting relatives in Money, Mississippi, and he'd been there for 8 days before he was murdered. Till went to buy candy in this store, Bryant's Grocery Store. He was unaware of the racial tone in Mississippi due to being from Chicago, which is in the north of America, and Mississippi is in the south, and they had a different attitude towards black Americans. Till spoke to this female storekeeper called Caroline Bryant in a manner that she found offensive. It is thought that he was flirting with her and she didn't like it. She told her husband, Roy Bryant. Till was abducted by Caroline's husband and his half-brother, J.W. Millen, at gunpoint from his great-uncle's house that he was staying in. Till was battered with a pistol by both men. He was driven to the Tallahatchie River, as you can see in this image. They asked him to remove his clothes and they shot him in the head. They attached this heavy fan to Emmett Till's body and then put him in the river. On August 31st, 1955, Emmett Till's body was found by 2 young boys. Mammy Till Bradbury decided that she was going to have an open casket funeral in Chicago for her son, Emmett Till. She sent pictures of Emmett Till's body to the media so everyone could see what happened to her son. This is an example of one of the images of Emmett Till's disfigured body that was put in the media. Now, lots of people saw this image and it sparked outrage amongst black Americans and also white Americans in the north. In September, the 2 men were put on trial for murder. The prosecutors produced testimony from Till's great-uncle and Willie Reed, who had overheard the torture happening. As you can see, there is the fan that the men used to weigh Till down. On September 23rd, the defendants were found not guilty by an all-white male jury. It was believed that they were thought to be guilty, but because the punishment would be death, the jury decided this was not a suitable punishment for white men who had killed a black boy. So what is significant about Emmett Till's murder? Well, not only was it one of the darkest days in civil rights history, but, as Mamie Till says, when people saw what happened to her son, men stood up who had never stood up before. And this will be seen in the Montgomery bus boycott, which is going to happen 6 months later. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me at Twitter at LittleMissHistory81 at TanyaAlex38.